In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can access Google here on a PS5 in 2026. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually go up to the top right of your PS5 home screen and select settings just like so, and go into your network settings. After doing that, select connection status and then hit view PlayStation network status right here. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Just ignore everything on this page and scroll down to the very bottom, and you're going to see a little tab over on the right with a few different settings on here like about us, blog, careers, support. Essentially, go ahead and select the blog tab just like so. And then once you do select blog, just scroll down, and then on the right hand sidebar or somewhere on this page, you might have to scroll even further down, you're going to see an option for YouTube. Just open up that YouTube setting right here and then wait for it to fully load. It's going to redirect you to the PlayStation YouTube channel page. Just wait for it to load once again, and up in the top right, you're going to see a sign in option. Go ahead and select that, and then go ahead and select privacy right after. From here, go ahead and go up to the top right and then select the little app icons right next to the sign in button. And you're going to see Google on here. Just select this, and this is going to be Google. It works perfectly. Just to demonstrate that it does work, I'll just search for myself real quick. As you can see, boom, hit go. And as you can see, it works just like that. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.